Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is, what are the new string methods in Java 11? This is one of the most important entry question. Even in real time also, these methods are very useful actually. Java 11 added new methods to the string class for better string operations or handling actually. These methods are is blank, lines, strip, strip leading, strip trailing, and repeat actually. These are the six methods which are introduced in Java 11 with respect to string class actually. Let's check it one by one. The first method is blank method. This method is used to check whether the string is blank or not. It returns true if the string is empty or contains only white spaces or code points actually. Otherwise, it returns false. The syntax of the method is given below, which is public boolean is blank. This method returns true or false kind of things. Let's check it like in Eclipse tool. How can we just take one example, right? Okay, for example, I'm just going to declare new string methods, right? Demo, right? Okay, this is the class name I'm just going to give it. Now I'm just maximizing this and let's remove this. Okay, now first method, right, is blank method. Okay, now I'm just going to declare as usual string str equal to just give some Java as the string value. Now we are going to test it whether the string is given string is str dot is blank, right? Okay, which is returns boolean value. Okay, now in this case this value is returning because it contains some value, right? It returns some false value because the string has some value. Now I'm going to empty this one. In this case it is going to return true. Okay, this is the first method. And second method is, okay, second method is, see, lines method. This method is used to get the stream of lines extracted from the string separated by the line terminators. So the syntax of this method is given below. This is public stream string lines actually. Let's check it like how can we declare. This is lines method, right? Lines method. Now I'm going to declare str2. Okay, no, Java. Okay, Java. See, I'm just operating with \n. Eh, just take it as Java is a, okay, \n powerful, powerful, okay, \r and programming \n again and language, right? Okay, now this is the string I am declaring it. Next time I'm just going to declare it, okay, and stream of string, right? Okay, and lines. Now I'm just going to declare string2 dot lines method. Okay, it will just yeah, the string as lines method. Now I'm going to string. Okay, now I'm printing it. Okay, I'm printing it lines dot, okay, for each method. For each method I'm going to declare it. Now system dot out dot print. Okay, print it. Okay, now print it. Now check the output. See, Java is a powerful programming language, right? So the separators are like line breaks, all are just eliminated. Just it is printing only these values. If you want to just print these values in separate line, okay, you can just do that, right? Ln, okay, just give ln, that's it. It will print it in new line, right? Okay, so now I'm just going to use the check the third method, right? Which is these three methods are like so all together we can test it, which is string strip is okay. This method and this method is used to remove all the leading and trailing spaces, right? That is string strip. And strip leading means it removes only the leading white spaces. strip trailing will remove the trailing white spaces. Okay, the syntax for this one is this one: public string strip public string strip leading public string strip trailing. Let's check it without wasting our time. See the strip, okay, methods, right? Okay, now I am going to declare string str. Until now we have declared str2, right? Now I am going to declare str3. Okay, here. Now what I am doing is Java some world. I am going to just declare it. Now this is having, okay, leading white spaces, right? Let's check it right now whether it will print or not as it is. Okay, says sys out. I'm going to declare print it str3. Now if you see it, right, see there is some space. You can see here, see this is space. If you want to remove this one, see here str dot, okay, str dot strip leading white spaces, because it has seen leading white spaces, right? Now if you print it, see there is no spaces. Okay, now if you go to tailing white spaces, okay, now we already removed this, leading white spaces. Now check it. If you want, you can check it. str at str dot str3 dot, directly we can print it, okay, before we check this method. Now check this one. See there are some white spaces, leading and trailing workspaces, right? Now you need to do, what you need to do is just trail strip and trailing white spaces, right? Now if you check this one, now it will remove only the trailing workspaces, but leading workspaces are there. If you want to remove both the trailing and leading workspaces, what you need to do is, see here, strip, you can use it. sc sysout str3.strip. Okay, this is the method you need to use it, right? So this one, right? Now if you find it, see it will remove both leading white spaces and trailing white. This is the best method actually, based on the requirement, right? If you want to remove only leading white spaces, you can use this one. If you want to remove only trailing workspaces, then you can you can use trailing method, strip trailing. If you want to remove both leading and trailing white spaces, then you can use the strip method, right? Okay, this is another method. And the last one is repeat method. This method is used to repeat the string at the specified time. It returns a string whose value in the concatenation of this string repeated specified times, right? And public string repeat method. And here we need to just use integer count. Let's check it. For example, str string 4 equal to, for example, apple. I'm going to use it. Okay, now sys out. If you want, you can store it. Okay, another value str5, okay, equal to str4 dot repeat method is that. Okay, this is the repeat method. How many times you want to repeat it? For example, I want to repeat it 4 times, and finally I'm going to print this str5, right? Let's check it, the output. Okay, see apple, right? Four times apple got printed. If you want to print some characters, special characters, right? Okay, see here, 4 times it got printed. For example, if you want to print the dollar value in 10 times, okay, here you can give 10 times, right? Okay, 10 times the value gets printed, dollar value. This is all about, like, all these 6 methods of string class actually, which are introduced in Java 11 version actually. This is all about today video, friends. If you like the content, please like this video and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next session we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.